Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. First we revise our previous oral. Take out your PB book and open page number 1. Now recite with me. Tauz A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Now come down. What is tasmiyah? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now revise question number 1. Who are we? We are Muslims. Now come down. Question number 4. What is the name of our religion? Our religion is Islam. Now open page number 3. Now we recite dua for knowledge. Come on, raise your hand for dua. Now recite with me. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. आमीन. Now what do we say when we sneeze? Come on, reply. What do we say when we sneeze? Alhamdulillah. What do we say when we sneeze? Alhamdulillah. Now it's time to reading time. I show some characters. Now tell me, who is he? What's its name? Kipper. Kipper is also your book character. Now next one. Who is he? Chip. Who is he? Chip. Revise again. And now tell me, who is he? Dad. Who is he? Dad. Which one is this? Mom. Who is she? Mom. She wear a red shirt. And now tell me, who is she? She is Biff. Who is she? Biff. Biff के hairs कैसे हैं? लॉन्ग. और लॉन्ग हेयर्स किसके होते हैं? गर्ल्स के. याद है आप लोग को लास्ट टाइम हमने कैरेक्टर ड्रॉ किया था? ओके, नाउ टुडे आई शो यू समथिंग न्यू. आई कॉल अ न्यू वन एंड कम ऑन. टुडे हु इज Floppy? Come on, say hey Floppy. Hi Floppy. Floppy is waving its leg like this. Hi. Say hi. इस कैरेक्टर का क्या नाम है? Floppy. Floppy is also your book reading character. Okay? अब आपने जब भी टीचर आपको ये पिक्चर शो करेगी और आपने रिप्लाई करना है, आपने इन्हें ये नहीं कहना डॉग. डॉग तो ये है, बट इट्स नेम इज Floppy. What's its name? Floppy. Today we celebrate our Defense Day. We celebrate Defense Day 6th September. Okay, now I tell you why we celebrate this day. We celebrate this day because of our soldiers. क्योंकि इस दिन हमारे मुल्क के फ़ौजी ने जंग की थी और जो फ़ौजी उनमें शहीद हुए थे और जिन्होंने फ़तह हासिल की थी, उनकी याद में हम ये दिन मनाते हैं. This day is called Defense Day. Okay? Now look, I show some characters. Look here. He is a soldier. Come on, salute him. This is our army soldiers. And what is this? This is tank. This is tank. हम टैंक को यूज़ करते हैं, वह हमारे आर्मी सोल्जर्स इस टैंक को यूज़ करते हैं जब वार होती है. वार मीन्स जंग होती है. ओके, नाउ विच ड्रेस इज दिस? दिस इज आवर आर्मी ड्रेस. दिस इज आवर सोल्जर ड्रेस. एंड दिस वन इज आवर सोल्जर कैप. Look here, there are some jets. They are fighting jets. Okay, ये हमारी आर्मी इस्तेमाल करती है जब उन्हें जंग या फिर कोई भी मुकाबला करना होता है. Why we celebrate this day? We celebrate this day for our army soldiers. Okay, this day is called Defense Day. Let's start our workbook work. Okay, now look here, there are some new. What is this? Do you know what is this? Which picture is this? Come on, tell me, which picture is this? This is butterfly. What is this? This is butterfly. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is ball. What is this? This is ball. Ball. Now come here. Which picture is this? Butterfly. लास्ट टाइम हमने जो लेटर पढ़ा था ए, आपने देखा था उससे कौन कौन सी पिक्चर्स आती थी? एंट एंड एप्पल. लुक, दिस इज बटरफ्लाई एंड दिस वन इज बॉल. आपको पता है ये पिक्चर्स कौन से लेटर से आती हैं? नो? ओके, टुडे आई विल शो यू न्यू वन. I hope you know its name. Yes, come on, what's its name? Which letter is this? Now I tell you, this is B. Which letter is this? This is B. B. Which letter is this? B. B for butterfly. B for ball. B for ball. And what is the sound of B? Which sound do you hear? Butterfly. Ball. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. Let's we sing a song of B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Are you enjoying this song? Okay, now I revise again. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. आपको याद है स्टार्टिंग में हमने एक जॉलीफोनी के नाम से आपसे एक लिंक शेयर किया था. आप उस लिंक को टच करेंगे, आप देखेंगे उसमें बी की आपके पास सॉन्ग मेंशन है. ओके, आप जब भी बी को रिकग्नाइज, लर्न या ट्रेसिंग करेंगे, आप उस सॉन्ग के साथ साथ इसको बी को आप रिकग्नाइज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ वी revise again. Which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. And what is this? Butterfly and ball. And which song is B? Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. ओके, जब भी आप बी को ट्रस्ट करेंगे या फिर आप टीचर आपसे पूछेंगी व्हाट इज द सॉन्ग ऑफ बी, तो आप इस सॉन्ग को सिंग करेंगे. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज. आई हैव अ स्मॉल एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. एज बिफोर आई टोल्ड यू विच लेटर इज दिस? बी. विच लेटर इज दिस? बी. नाउ वी ट्रस्ट द लेटर लाइक दिस. Go down. Make a bumpty. Make a bumpty. Now tell me which letter is this? This is B. Okay, now we trace the letter B by ribbon. Okay, like this. First we trace a straight line. Like this. Now we make a one bumpty, then second bumpty. Okay. like this. Yes. One more time. There's a hole. B. Pull here like this. Which letter I trace with ribbon? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. Yes. Look, muscles are moved. Okay. We grip from this one and this one also. This, yes. Slowly, slowly, okay? Yes. Which letter I complete? B. Which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This. Now I complete. Which letter is this? This is B. Which letter is this? This is B. Now I tie here. Okay. Which letter is this? This is B.